morning, everybody. I am going to work on the mudroom today. I kind of stopped for a couple days because so many things went amok and I wasn't sure what to do next. Today's supposed to be almost 50 degrees, and so I put the heater on in the mudroom so that I can get the holes filled with great stuff, and then I'll start working on things. I have a real habit of, if I can't do something the absolute best I possibly can, I tend to kind of freeze up, like I can't do it perfect, so I'm going to wait until I can. And that's not necessarily the best thing in the world. So anyways, we're going to get started today. Hope you guys enjoy it. I'm going to take this opportunity to ask you to please subscribe, like my videos, comment below. It just would be really great to get a lot of subscribers, and I'm kind of having fun with the videos, and if you have suggestions to make the videos more interesting, or that you would watch more of it and share them, that'd be great. Again, just comment and subscribe below. Thank you. Okay, so this part I'm not going to time lapse because great stuff is kind of fun to watch. I figure if it comes out well, you guys can be impressed. If it comes out horrible, well, you have something great to laugh at. I cleaned everything really well. The concrete is cool, but it's not even a little bit cold. Vacuumed out all the little crevices, read the instructions, shook the thing for 60 seconds like it said. Tried really hard to screw it in on the wrong end. Have my gloves on. Don't have my safety glasses. I need to go find those. So, safety glasses. This is actually something that I watched my last couple videos and was like, how on earth did I not do that? Oh, I guess I should probably lock up Buttercup too. She thinks all power tools are evil and to be destroyed, and I don't doubt she would try to eat the great stuff, so she's got to go to bed for a little while, huh, baby? Okay, take, I don't know, 3, something like that. Anyways, so now I'm going to go ahead and give this a shot. Let's see what kind of messes I can make. Oh my gosh. I think I sprayed that a little bit. Wait, whoa. It's like coming up all kinds of crazy places. Pretty sure it's supposed to be down inside. Oh! Oh my gosh. Good thing I can cut out whatever excess I spray in. Oh my gosh. This spot over here just keeps going and going and going. Holy moly. I guess there was a big old holes in there that I wasn't aware of. Oh goodness. Okay, that's a good thing. Oh my gosh. If this stuff wasn't so expensive, I would probably get it just to play with it because it's so ridiculous. My husband doesn't know that I decided to do this today, so that on his day off when we drill the holes for the sill and stuff, this is already done. I cannot stand that weird sound. Okay, so anybody that's ever drilled concrete into cement, it kind of makes a weird noise. I don't think I'm supposed to be doing this swiping part. I think I'm supposed to, yeah, that's not good. I think I'm just gonna let it swell up and make a big mess. Big messes disturb my soul. So I keep trying to clean it up, but I think I'm actually defeating the purpose, so I'll just fill in all these holes. I'm pretty sure this hole is bigger than it's supposed to be used, but it says up to 3 inches. The rest of the day I'm going to take my dog for walks because obviously she can't walk across this stuff. Oh good lord. Imagine my little dog on this stuff. She'd absolutely get stuck to it. Wow. I really expected myself to make a disaster, but it's not as bad as I thought it was going to be. Alright. Oh goodness, there's another hole that's It's not seeping out very quick. Good gravy. So the sill will go all the way against this wood. But I'm trying very hard to get every last crack and crevice. I don't care if I waste a bunch of this stuff, because I cannot tell you how many flies we found in here. If anybody is watching this and didn't watch our first day working in the mudroom, I actually didn't show as much as I should have of the huge mess that this was. So this sill was, I started cleaning around it so we could seal it, so we could seal the sill, and as I cleaned I realized the wood was completely rotted. So I was like, oh, well, that's fine, we can put a new one in there. And then I pulled the threshold off, and I started cleaning out what was there, and in there were about 1 billion flies, only exaggerated by about 1,000. Billion flies, and the wood was rotted all the way against the concrete. I don't know how much I should continue globbing this on. I think I'm just making a mess and wasting it at this point. Ow. Anyway, so the whole seal had to be removed. The whole thing has to be sealed, resealed, and I think I got all the cracks on this side anyhow. Oh goodness, there's more. So at this point, I'm a little paranoid that these cracks are going to let critters in, specifically come spring when everybody wakes up. But man, I've lived in New Mexico most of my adult life. During the winter, flies aren't a thing. In my experience, you just don't deal with flies in the winter. I am not even kidding with how many flies. As soon as this room warmed up, just like all these flies came out. Ooh, I think I just broke it. At the beginning of the video, you saw me sweeping. My wonderful bug guy came by. He sprayed the house. We're new here, so we had everything sprayed. And all those black spots I was sweeping up, flies! They were all flies! I was horrified. So, yeah, I'm working real hard to minimize our fly friends that are coming in. I guess that's it. You let it dry and then cut off the excess? Huh? Alright, so the deed is done. I am not, well, let's just say great stuff is not my skill set. I think once I cut off all the excess, it'll be fine. Of course, I managed to get it on these. I got some on my pants. Stuff, if you've never used it, is insanely sticky and will just make a mess of everything it touches. So, I don't know. We'll see. In a few hours, I will come check it and start cutting off the excess. Hi, baby girl. You're so cute. What are you doing?